Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we will go through some important current affairs questions that are frequently asked in competitive exams. These questions will help strengthen your general awareness and keep you updated on key national and international events. First question is, a rare snake species, Ahaitullah longirostris, long-snouted wine snake, was discovered in which state recently? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Uttarakhand. D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. A rare snake species, Ahaitullah longirostris, long-snouted wine snake, was discovered in Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, what is the name of the mobile-based application used to track Anganwadi centers across India? A. Nutri app. B. Poshan tracker. C. Midday meal. D. Nutrition watch. The correct answer is B. Poshan tracker. The Union Ministry of Women and Child Development, MoWCD, announced that all Anganwadi centers in India are now registered on the Poshan tracker mobile application. Poshan tracker is a mobile-based tool that tracks real-time attendance, growth, and nutrition services at Anganwadi centers. Next question is, which day is observed as World Autism Awareness Day, WAD, every year? A. 1st April. B. 2nd April. C. 3rd April. D. 4th April. The correct answer is B. 2nd April. World Autism Awareness Day is observed every year on 2nd April to raise awareness about autism spectrum disorder, ASD. ASD is a developmental brain disorder that affects social interaction, communication, and behavior. Next question is, which two organizations jointly developed the medium-range surface-to-air missile, MRSAM, Army weapon system? A. DRDO and NASA. B. DRDO and Israel Aerospace Industries. C. ISRO and Lockheed Martin. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. DRDO and Israel Aerospace Industries. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and the Indian Army successfully conducted 4 flight tests of the Army version of medium-range surface-to-air missile, MRSAM, on April 3 and 4, 2025 from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha. Next question is, where was India's first vertical railway sea bridge inaugurated recently? A. Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. B. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. C. Kochi, Kerala. D. Chandipur, Odisha. The correct answer is A. Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the newly built Pamban Bridge, India's first vertical railway sea bridge, in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu on 6 April 2025. The 2.07-kilometer bridge was built by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL. Next question is, World Homeopathy Day is observed on which day annually? A. 8th April. B. 9th April. C. 10th April. D. 11th April. The correct answer is C. 10th April. World Homeopathy Day, observed on 10th April, marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy. Next question is, according to Periodic Labor Force Survey, what is the unemployment rate in rural areas for the year 2024? A. 4.2%. B. 4.5%. C. 4.6%. D. 4.9%. The correct answer is A. 4.2%. The unemployment rate in rural areas has slightly decreased from 4.3% to 4.2%, showing a small improvement in job availability. Next question is, where was the Global Technology Summit, GTS, 2025 held? A. New Delhi. B. Bengaluru. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is A. New Delhi. The 9th Global Technology Summit was inaugurated in New Delhi by External Affairs Minister Drs. Jaishankar on 10 April 2025. It is a 3-day event from 10 to 12 April and is India's main platform to discuss geotechnology. Next question is, what is the name of initiative launched by Union Home Minister to tackle liver diseases across India? A. Health. B. Liver Line. C. Fit Liver. D. Live Safe. The correct answer is A. Health. The Union Home Minister launched the Healthy Liver Education and Alcohol-Associated Liver Disease Prevention initiative to fight liver diseases in India. Thank you for joining us today. We'll meet again in the next video with more important current affairs questions. Stay updated and keep learning.